Today we're going to do a little tutorial on how to set up and use the steering wheel controls on our Road Angel stereo. So first we can start off by heading over to settings and then scroll straight down to your steering wheel control resistance. Set that to high. Always keep it at high and then scroll back down to your steering wheel control button. Here we can reset all the current controls and then begin to set the new controls up. So to start off, we would press on each button one by one, which should correspond with your steering wheel. Not every steering wheel and every car will be able to use every single button. So we'll start by pressing the volume up button. Once that's selected, I will press the volume up button on my steering wheel and it will automatically sync to one of these. Continue by doing all the buttons that you can find on your steering wheel. The telephone button might be using the same button, but this will log into two separate for answering and hanging up the phone. Once you have done all the buttons that you can, go ahead and press save on your device. Once this says save successfully, you can then head back to your home screen and try this out for size. Okay, now you've set up all your steering wheel controls, let's take them for a test. So you can use CarPlay, and now I can use my steering wheel to change song and turn the volume up and down. I'm also able to answer the phone directly from my steering wheel and also exit the phone using the save button.